Good morning.
Good morning, sir. My name is Lucila El Payopay, 44 years old, married. I have 3 kids, 1 girl and 2 boys. The girl is 20 years old and the boys are 25 and 16.
And are you college graduate or high school
Yes,
graduate?
sir. I'm taking a Bachelor of Secondary Education for 2 years, undergraduate, sir.
Okay. And do you have any working experience?
Yes, sir. Here in the Philippines, I'm working as a domestic helper here for 1 year and 7 months.
Okay. And when did you start working?
July 10 up to July 10, 2011 up to January 2013.
Okay. And how many are there in the family?
Only one, sir. My madam.
Your madam?
Yes.
How old is your madam?
74, sir.
74. Is she healthy?
Yes.
Okay. And what are your duties?
I'm cooking, washing the clothes, ironing the clothes, and I will take care my madam.
Taking care of madam?
Yes.
Okay. And who's going to take care of your children when you work in Hong Kong?
My husband, sir.
Okay. And why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because I will support my husband for my
For your financial needs?
for our financial needs,
Okay.
and also for my kids.
Okay. And are you willing to take care of dogs and cats?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of big dogs?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And can you sing a children's song for us?
Okay, sir. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Very good. And what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employee, please...
Employer.
Employer, sorry. To my future employer, please select me as your helper because I am hardworking and honest person.
Thank you very much, Miss Lucila Payopay, and I hope to see you in Hong Kong.
Thank you very much, sir. Have a nice day. Bye.